more, but the wind's too loud.
Yeah.
Just step on it?
Yeah.
Okay. You said 25? Now?
Yeah.
Damn.
There's a stop sign.
Yeah, I was gonna say that stop sign came up fast. Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, your hat.
I got it.
No, you scared me. I just saw you do this and I was like, what happened? Nah, this sounds so good. Oh, no.
Yeah, sport mode's kind of weird.
And it's like, again. I hate how I'm already used to it in the driver's seat.
The only thing that was weird getting used to is the transmission is a little different. Like it's kind of quirky. Like there's some stuff, like mashing it in sport, it stutters a little bit.
Yeah, I noticed that. I'm like, you gonna go?
Yeah, that's why I have to like.
It's probably in the tune though.
Downshift it a little bit.
The tune's probably restricting a lot to help it.
Probably so, yeah. Torque or like low 500 torque. But if I switch to the built motor file, it doesn't give me too much more power because the turbo's not that big. It'll like make it like 720 wheel, but like 600 torque. So like an extra like 80 torque. But,
oh boy.
it's like, I don't know, I park crooked every time.
Oh, what the hell?
Even if it looks straight on the camera, I'm not straight in person. It's like kind of fish-eyed.
Oh, I see,